Now look at question number 4. The question number 4 says that construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude 4 centimeter, and then construct another triangle whose sides are similar triangle whose sides are 3 by 2 times the sides of given isosceles triangle. Justify the construction also. So what is a scale factor here in this question? 3:2. Definitely you will get an idea that the size of the similar triangle would be the greater than the size of the given triangle. So first to draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter with the help of a scale. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So what you need to do? Take the pointer of your rounder at point A and state the other arm so that it should be more than half of AB. Taking A as center and B as center, cut an arc on either side of AB. इस side भी cut करना है, so you will get a pair of point of intersection of two arcs and join these two point of intersection arc with the help of a scale. Suppose this point is P and this point is Q, so join P to Q, which will bisect AB at point suppose O. Now taking O as center, cut an arc of radius 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter because altitude is given how much? 4 centimeter. Now this point is C. Now this point is C. Join A to C and B to C. So triangle ABC is constructed. Now we have to construct a similar triangle similar to triangle ABC in the ratio 3:2. So greater of 3 and 2 is 3. First of all, you have to construct an acute angle just below the line segment AB. And greater of them 3 and 2 is 3. So you cut 3 equal arc such that A1 equals to A1 A2, A1 A2 equals to A2 A3. This is A2, and then from A2 cut A2 A3 arc, but all three arcs should be same. As denominator is 2, so you join A2 to B, A2 to B. Now with the help of set of square, you have to draw a line parallel to BA2 passing through A3. A3 से पास होता हुआ एक लाइन पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना होगा. So you extend AB, लाइन सेगमेंट AB. देखो सेट स्क्वायर कैसे आया, ये स्केल हमारा फिक्स है. अब हम इस पॉइंट पे लाएगा, इस पॉइंट से पास होता हुआ लाइन हमें ड्रॉ करना था. Now it is easy to draw a line parallel to BA2 passing through A3. So again now we have to draw a line parallel to which line? This line. So we have extended. So you are having which is similar triangle AB1 C1, similar to which triangle ABC. So here size of similar triangle AB1 C1 is greater than the size of the triangle ABC. Now how can we justify? By a similarity. So you take these two triangles. Given triangle is similar triangle is AB1 C1 and given triangle is ABC. So in these two triangles, as this line is drawn parallel to this line, so corresponding angle B equals to angle B1, angle C equals to angle C1, and angle A is common in both the triangles. So by a similarity criteria, both triangles are similar, because we have to write in justification part. So corresponding sides of triangle are in the same ratio. So AB 1 upon AB equals to क्या होगा 3:2. क्योंकि ये दो ट्रायंगल भी तुम सिमिलर कर सकते हो. पहले कौन सा दो ट्रायंगल को किसके पैरेलल हमने ड्रॉ किया, बी ए टू बी के पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग आल्सो टू ट्रायंगल, which two triangle A2 A3B1 and A2B. Are they similar? Because this angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle, because these are corresponding angle, and angle BA A2 equals to angle B1 A3. So these two triangles are similar by A similarity criteria. So what we can say, A3 upon A2 कितना हो जाएगा 3:2 upon equals to AB1 upon AB. तो AB1 upon AB का भी रेशियो हो जाएगा 3:2. तो मैं एक पेज में आपको इसका जस्टिफिकेशन लिख करके बताऊंगा. थैंक यू. Now look at question number 5 of exercise 11.1. What question number 5 says, draw a triangle ABC with side BC equals to 6 centimeter, AB equals to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 degree. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding parts of the given triangle. So what we need to do, first we have to construct a triangle, draw or construct a triangle ABC of given dimension. BC is given how much, 6 centimeter, AB is given 5 centimeter, and angle ABC given 60 degree. And then we have to construct another triangle similar to it in the ratio 3:4. So 3 upon 4 is a scale factor, and a scale factor is proper. So the size of the similar triangle would be smaller than the size of the given triangle ABC. So let us see the proceedings of this construction. Draw a line segment BC of length 6 cm or AB equals to 5 cm. Both you may suppose, but here I am taking BC as base 6 cm. At point B, you have to construct an angle of 60 degree. So with the help of protractor or with the help of rounder, better you take the help of rounder to construct an angle of 60 degree. Now AB is given how much? 5 cm. So taking B as center, cut an arc of radius 5 cm. So this point is A. Now join A to C. So here triangle ABC is constructed. Now we have to construct a triangle, another triangle similar to this triangle in the ratio 3:4. So first you construct an acute angle just below the line segment BC. And which one is greater between 3 and 4? 4 is greater. So you cut 4 equal arcs B such that B1 equals to B1 B2 equals to B2 B3 equals to B3 B4. As denominator is 4, so you join C to B4. Now numerator is 3, so at point B3 we have to draw a line parallel to B4C. With the help of set square or with the help of rounder you may draw. Similarly, we have to draw a line parallel to AC passing through C1. So this is A1. This point is A1. Now which similar triangle is constructed? A1, B1 and C1, which is similar to which triangle? A, B and C in the ratio 3:4. How 3:4? How they are similar? Because as we have drawn A1, C1 parallel to AC, so this angle equals to this angle, corresponding angle. Similarly, this angle equals to this angle, means angle A equals to angle A1, and angle A is common in both the triangle A1BC1 and ABC. So both triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. So the corresponding sides are in the ratio 3:4. Thank you. Look at question number 6 of exercise 11.1. What the question number 6 is, draw a triangle ABC with side BC equals to 7 centimeter. Angle B is 45 and angle A is 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are in the ratio 4 is to 3. Scale factor is 4 is to 3. Scale factor is improper. So it gives an idea that the size of the similar triangle would be greater than the size of the given triangle. But before constructing similar triangle, we need to construct the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC, in which BC is 7 centimeter. But we don't have another two sides. Only one side is given. So we have to draw BC as a base. But at vertex B we can construct 45 degree, but we don't have vertex A on the line segment BC. So, but the two angles of this triangle is given. So by using angle sum property of triangle, we can find the third angle. As angle B and angles A are given, so when we will find third angle, so we will get the measure of angle C. So taking C as center, we can construct that angle. So by using angle sum property, what would be the measure of third angle? I think 105 plus 45, that comes to 150. So third angle would be 30 degrees. So at C, we have to construct an angle of 30 degree, and at B we have to construct an angle of 45 degree. Automatically at vertex A, 105 degree will be constructed. So let us see the proceeding. Draw a line segment BC of length 7 centimeter. Now at point B, you construct an angle of 45 degree, and by angle sum property I told you at vertex C, what would be the measure of angle? It should be 30 degree. So at C you construct an angle of 30 degree. So these two line segment intersect at point A. This point is A. Now we have to construct a similar triangle similar to this triangle. So we constructed an acute angle just below the line segment BC, and the greater of 4 and 3 is 4. So cut 4 equal arcs along the line segment BX. B1 equals to B1 B2 equals to B2 B3 equals to B3 B4. As denominator is 3, so you join C2 B3. ध्यान से देखेंगे as denominator is 3, so we will join C2 B3, and now we have to draw a line parallel to B3 passing through B4 as numerator is 4. So B4 से पास होता हुआ एक लाइन पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना होगा. So you extend BC, line segment BC up to a point. See the स्केल फिक्स हो गया. अब यहाँ B4 से पास होता हुआ करना था, हमने सेट स्क्वायर को सेट कर लिया B4 से पास होता हुआ के पोजीशन में. Now draw a line which will be parallel to B3C, which means suppose extended line BC at point C1. Similarly AC के पैरेलल आपको ड्रॉ करना है C1 से पास होता हुआ. सेट स्क्वायर को उसी पोजीशन में आप सेट कर लोगे, है ना. तो हमें ट्रायंगल कौन सा मिल गया सिमिलर? A1 B C1. जो A1 B C1 का साइज क्या है? ABC से बड़ा है, और AA सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया से अपन जस्टिफाई कर सकते हैं. स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऊपर आपको दिख रहा होगा कैसे लिखा रहा है, तो आपको खुद से स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखना है. जस्टिफिकेशन यहाँ पे लिखा है, वो भी आप अपनी कॉपी में लिख लीजिए. ये B4 C1 यहाँ ज्वाइन नहीं दिख रहा है, पर आपको ज्वाइन करना है. स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने दिखा था मैंने इसके पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ किया था B3